This extra-large wood stove has long been one of our signature stoves, defining our design prowess. Durably built and superbly crafted, the Jøtul F 600 CB offers both front and side-loading convenience in a classic design inspired by colonial American furniture. This is a complete home heating system with unparalleled design. The Jøtul F 600 CB wood stove is now even more user-friendly with the addition of our patented spring-loaded side door latch system. The Jøtul F 600 CB is also the largest cast iron wood stove in the world and is able to heat up to 2,500 square feet and burn for over 10 hours.